Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best portable bandsaw on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Portable Bandsaw. Big companies often provide alternatives. You may need a tool that can fit in a storage space of another tool you had bought. As such, you may not require to pay for another casing. That's what the DEWALT manufacturers offered when they launched this particular portable bandsaw to provide uniqueness and compensation too. This DEWALT portable saw band comes with a blade cutting capacity of 5 inches deep with one single cut. Also, it comes with LED lighting in case you have insufficient lighting in the area of work. Again, the light is aligned to the cutting surface for better accuracy. The speed variable comes with a trigger and also a dial. This, in turn, allows the tool to be versatile and in proper control. There are also integrated hooks that ensure your tool is safely hanged after use. This is an alternative storage option since the tool does not come in a casing like the sister tool. The motor is powered by a 20V source to enable the tool blades to work efficiently. Sadly, the battery and the charger do not come with the tool. You will hence need to buy them separately. It also comes with a rubber bumper that limits shifting and keeps the tool from wearing out quite fast than anticipated. The tool is among the lightest in the market with a weight of fewer than 12 pounds. Our list at number 2. Makita Lithium-Ion Cordless Portable Bandsaw. Affordability and quality are a rare combination to dig in any tool. In most cases, quality is often costly. However, when it comes to perfection, the manufacturers of the Makita XBP02Z stand among the best in the market. This particular tool is a must-go for you. It is merely a combination of quality, safe, effective, and affordable tools all in one. The Makita portable bandsaw comes in a compact, ergonomic design. This ensures that it is perfect for any work with minimal effort resulting in less exhaustion. It is also a versatile tool in that it can cut both metal and wood. However, it works best on metal material. The usability of this tool is quite a thing. Additionally, it comes with a LED light which comes in handy while cutting, as it aligns with the cutting line and also offers light in case you work in dark areas. The rubber bumper ensures maximum protection of the material and the saw from any possible damages. Furthermore, the tool is powered by an 18-volt battery that is of the Lithium-Ion series. However, while buying, the tool does not come with a battery or charger. You will have to buy it separately. The blades come with a deep cutting capacity of about 4 inches. Also, they are easy to fix. Our list at number 3. Bosch Deep Cut Bandsaw. Having options is the best feeling for any shopper. Most big companies tend to offer this to their customers. It keeps them relevant in the market while also winning more customers. Bosch has mastered this art perfectly and has another saw band on the market. The Bosch GCB105 Deep Cut Portable Bandsaw comes with more exciting options. Unlike the other tool, this one is much more subcompact. It comes with a mighty motor that is backed by 10 amp. This ensures that you get cleaner and more delicate cuts with just one sweep and no reworks. Importantly, it does not mess with the color of your material. Isn't that exciting? For safety, the manufacturers of the Bosch portable saw band had not failed either. It comes with an anti-spark system to ensure that chances of fire on your work site are impossible. Again, for the cuts, the blades have a cutting depth capacity of about 41/2 inches single cut, making it perfect with the motor power it comes with. The design as mentioned is much more compact, making it a very light tool to work with. It weighs about 14 pounds or less. The blades in the tool are strong and stable, hence ideal for stubborn and hard work. One unique feature is the ability to adjust the variable speed automatically. This enables the tool to act on any material in the right place. Such a feature helps in ensuring that the content being worked on does not get damaged. like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.